Hello learners and welcome. In today's lesson, we will cover division of natural numbers, division of large natural numbers. Previously, we looked at multiplication of natural large numbers, and if you have not watched, kindly click on the above link and you will be able to watch so that you are able to follow in the next. The procedure is almost the same, but let's consider this operation. If you are told to work out 3662 divided by 7, in division we normally use this simple where we have the number we are dividing, 3602, written under that bar, and the divisor, which is 7, is written outside. Then the procedure, you take the first numbers that can go into 7 several times. When you look at 3 is smaller than 7, so we can pick the first two numbers and look and find a number that we can multiply to get a number which is 36 or close to 36 but less than 36. And this number will be 5. If we take 5 times 7, you get 35. You write it below 36. Then subtract 35 from 36. You will have 1. Then you drop 6. Find a number that can go into 7 to get a number close to 16 but less than 16. That number will be 2. 2 times 7, you get 14. That's our second step. Subtract the two numbers, you will remain with 2. Then you drop the last number remaining, join it with 2. Look for another number that goes into 7 to get a number close to 22 but less than 22. That number will be 3. Write it after 2. 3 times 7, you get 21. When you subtract, you will have 1. So there will be no other number to drop. So that will be the end of your division. Therefore, our answer will be, when you take 3662 divided by 7, your answer will be 523, and you will have a remainder of 1. Now, there are important things that I would want you to realize here or to note in our process. We have 3 very important numbers. The number that we are dividing into, 3662 is the dividend. Your answer is the quotient. The number you're dividing into 6 is called the divisor. This number 7, the divisor, is also at times called the factor. How many times will 7 go into 3662? Now we have 1, which is our remainder. When you have a remainder, it means this number 662 cannot be divided by 7 exactly. there is a remainder. Sometimes you will have a number that can be divided by a divisor and no remainder. We call that an exact divisor. An exact divisor. Like now, the example we are going to have, the next one, I want you to test your knowledge of dividing. So to test your knowledge, I want you to work out the following. 19,754 divided by 34. Now you can stop the video, work it out, then you proceed to see the solution. Now the solution. The solution. We proceed as we began with the first one. We have this simple. We have the dividend 19,754. Our divisor is 34. Now 1 is smaller than 34, 19 is smaller than 34, so we'll go up to 197. We look for a number that we multiply by 34 to get a number close to 197. That number will be 5. Multiply 5 by 34, you get 170. Subtract, you'll have 7, and you have 2. You drop 5. Get a number you multiply by 34, you will get a number close to 275, but less than 275. This number will be 8. You multiply by 34, get 272. Subtract, you will have 3. Now drop 4. 34 is exactly the same as our divisor, so it will go into that once. Multiply 1 by 34, you get 34. When you subtract, you get nothing, so your answer therefore will be 19,754 divided by 34 gives us 581. Hope you got it correct. Very good. Now, let's revise what we did earlier. 581 is our quotient. 34 is our divisor. 19,754 is our dividend. And you can see there is no remainder. So what does this mean? It means that 34 is an exact divisor of 19,754. So when you take this and divide them together, you get an exact number. So 34, again I repeat, is an exact divisor of 19,754. So till we meet again in our next clip, bye bye.